The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Residents of Boston, lock all of your doors immediately. Multiple 911 calls stating violent civil unrest have been reported from downtown Boston. These rioters are causing damage to buildings near the TD Garden and have looted grocery stores. These rioters are confirmed to be thousands of Boston Bruins fans. The motive of this riot is the Boston Bruins losing Game 7 of the Stanley Cup to the St. Louis Blues, causing the Bruins to lose the Stanley Cup. Do not participate in the riots, as you may be injured or killed in the melee. At this time, all residents within 2 miles of the TD Garden are ordered to stay indoors until the crisis has ended. Do not let anybody into your home, as you could be putting yourself in danger. If one of the rioters enters your home, you may use any self-defense necessary. The city of Boston has been placed under martial law, and the Massachusetts National Guard has been dispatched to the city of Boston to restore law and order to the area. Do not go outdoors, as you could put your safety at risk. Stay tuned for more information, and do not call 911 unless you have a real emergency. Repeating, violent civil unrest is taking place in the city of Boston, primarily near the TD Garden as a result of the Bruins losing Game 7 of the Stanley Cup Finals. Take action now to protect your safety.